Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading the horizontal file into your editor and checking resolution and frame rate so you know what you're working with. Once loaded, create a vertical project preset like 1080 by 1920 and match the clip's frame rate to prevent judder. You should also duplicate the clip on the timeline immediately to preserve the original. Make sure to disable automatic scaling if your editor forces fit. This gives you control over framing and avoids unintended cropping. Now you reframe. Scale up the horizontal image and shift the X and Y position to bring the subject into the vertical center. If your subject moves, add position keyframes and ease them for smooth motion. When needed, use multiple crops and cut between them rather than overzooming one area. This keeps resolution and variety. Apply stabilization before heavy scaling to avoid artifacts, and check for black bars. Rotate or extend background if filling the frame is necessary. Finish by setting export to the vertical resolution and encoder compatible with your platform. Preserve the project frame rate to avoid sync issues. Once exported, inspect color, exposure, and audio levels. Apply a final pass of color grading and normalize audio so loudness is platform-friendly. If the subject looks pixelated, retry with less scale or create a blurred stretched background layer to hide artifacts. If playback stutters, re-encode at a higher bitrate or convert the frame rate to match the delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.